In this video, I'm going to show you the process of creating stunning web pages with the help of Pagefly and how it works inside of Shopify. So what exactly can Pagefly do and why should you care? Well, the traditional way of creating a website with Shopify is to create an account, install a pre-made theme, and try to adapt your website layout based on the theme. This is not a problem until when you need something more, or if you want to have something different and out of the box. As a brand, it is very important to be unique and provide your customers with the best experience. One way you can do this is through your website. A Shopify theme has little flexibility, and whenever you want something different, you have to write some codes. Well, imagine having the power to design and customize your store's pages without needing to know a single line of code, and being able to create any type of pages like a special promotion, promotional pages, or any other landing pages. That's the beauty of page builder apps like Pagefly. You can create professional looking web pages that drive sales and engage customers. In this video, I will take you step by step through the process of using Pagefly to build your own custom page for Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to get started, you need to install the Pagefly landing page app in Shopify, which you can find in the Shopify App Store, or you can click on the link below to follow my link and install Pagefly. So after you have it installed, I have my Pagefly installed already. So you can go to your website, and from the app you can click on Pagefly. So you will get to the dashboard here. So this is the dashboard. I'm on my development account, so I have unlimited slots. I have 140 slots. Now what you want to do to get started is you click on pages. So when you first click on Pagefly, you will be in dashboard. You click on pages, and this is where you will be able to create any custom page you want. You don't need to worry about this. This is just some files I've worked with. I will be taking you the basics. I will click on blank page so that I can show you how everything works. So I'll just click on regular page. This is the Pagefly workspace, and most of it is very simple to do. You can just click on add elements here. You have access to everything. This is the space for layouts. Here you have text, you have buttons. So I can drag heading text, drag it to the space, and that is just it. So I can put a button here as well. And you can style your text if you want it to be bigger, or if you want to change the color from black to something else. So if I want to change the color, this is space. You can just take anything. I will make this bigger so that you can see the changes in color. So let me give this 90 pixels. Now if I change the color, you will see that is a red. So you can change it to whatever you want. And same thing for the button. You go to, from general here, you go to styling, you choose a content color. This will be the color of the text in the button, which is white. You can change it to black. And the background color of the button, you can change it. So you have the background here, you can give it whatever you want. So let me give it a brighter color. Yeah, you have it. And I can change this text to whatever I need. I can just mark it and say this is a heading text. That's just it. Very simple. And also we can take more things like image. You can take an image, you can add videos, you can integrate your Instagram posts with this. And they have, apart from HTML elements which you can add to Pagefly, we can also add Shopify elements. So if you want to import your product to your landing page or your own page, you can do that from this Shopify element. So we have a product list. There are different types of product lists based on the type you want. Product details, This is mostly used for product pages. That is the first section of a product page. If you just need only the product title, and there is the buy button here, the product add to cart as well, and there is also a collection list. So if you are building your own page and you want to list out products from a certain collection, you can just drag and drop it here, and you can also put your blog post inside of Pagefly as well. And these contact forms you can see, so you can just put it here and you have it. You can style it, you can choose how it will be showing in your website. So something else you need to know about Pagefly is that you have everything within a section. So the section is the main container for each of your blocks, your elements. So everything I'm doing currently is within a section, and you can see this blue outline here. It is showing that everything in this space is within this section. So I have the text, I have the image, and other elements. Another thing you need to know about Pagefly is that you can integrate Shopify apps within Pagefly Editor. So we have the option to add third-party elements. So whenever you have an app that does a specific feature in your website and you would like your Pagefly to be able to do that. So for example, if you want to import reviews, like you want your product to show the reviews you have on the website within the Pagefly editor, you can do that here. So you can click on add third party element, and from this button here you can search for third party apps. So these are external apps that you can use within Pagefly. So I can just take a review app. We have this one here. I can activate it, and after I have it activated, you can close and you will find it here. So when you click on it, you have the star rating and you have the review. If you drop it here, this is what you will see, but on your preview page you are going to see a section that is filled with all reviews about a certain product. So this works within a product page. So there are a lot of apps here that you can try out. You can find any app that you use on your website and you would like to have it on your custom page, so you can take it from here. You have frequently bought together, different promotional apps. You can add them to your website as well. So another feature about this is templates. Like you have the option to add a custom template, like a pre-made template that is already made for you. You can just put it to the website, and the good part of this is that you have 100% chance to customize it the way you want, unlike Shopify theme that you are limited within the layout of the template. But here you can change everything. They are just giving you a starting point. This is just like giving you an idea, or if you are taking something that is very closely related to what you need, so you can take it from here and edit it the way you like. So I'll click on templates. Here you have a list of all the templates within Pagefly. These templates are for sections only, so you can have like just a single section that is pre-made for you. So for example, if you want to take this, maybe you want to have a section in your landing page that is going to sell your promotional products. Maybe you are having a promotion on one of your products and you want to create a landing page for it. Sorry. So maybe you want to create a landing page for it to make a countdown offer. So you can preview this to see if it will be able to do what you need. And when you are sure about this, you can just click on select this template. So when you click on that, you find the the section within your page and you can do anything you want. We can change the color. This is the space for background color. All this is within the styling. You have two options. You have the general and the styling. So in the styling, you can change the color to whatever you want, and you can remove this image and put your own image. So if you want to add your own image, you have to be in the general. The styling tab is only for making stylings to the elements. You can change the size, you can change the color, you can change a lot of things that has to do with styling to make it look good. But here in general, for example, if it is a text, you can change the content of the text. You can change an image. So you can, if it is a button, you can change the link of where the button will take you to. So for this, I can click on select and just take any image. So for example, I can click on this one. So as you can see it, this is it. So we can change this to Lana Lawnmower pre-sale offer. So something like this, and you can put special offer 40%, hurry up. You can set the countdown timer, and the buy button, you can set it to take from the click action here. You can set it to take your audience to any page you want. So I can just click on go to URL. So you have the option to choose a product. You can click on one of the products you want. So if you have the product of that image in your website, take for example, if it is this one, you just click on it and it selects. So whenever this button is clicked, it will take them to that product page. So that is just it. That is how it works. Now let me show you how you can use the section templates. So imagine a scenario where you want to create a specific website. Take for example, this is the structure of what you want to create. You have the header of the website, and this is your hero section. Within the hero section, you want to have some text here, and you want to have an image here. So on the next section, you want to have a heading text, and you want to have like 3 images, and another section where you have image with text, then you have your image with text again, and you have your footer. To achieve this with section templates, this is how we can do it. Let's start with the hero section, because most of the time you want to use the header from Shopify and the footer. There's a lot of settings that can go wrong if you use Pagefly to create it, but that will be a video for another time. Let's just start from the hero section. Like our hero section here, we need to have a space for text and image. To achieve this, you can add a section. So this is a list of all the section templates available, and we want to look for something that has to do with text and image. So I'll scroll down until I can find something that is close to what I need. So something like this, you can see we have a text and we have an image. We can easily edit anything we do not want from this, and I'll just go with it to save our time. But this is another one. I'll go with this. There is another one here, so I'll select this. So immediately I have it selected, you can see it in the dashboard. If I don't like this background, I can easily remove it. I think they are using a background image, as you can see here. So I can just click on reset value and it will not be there. But because the text here is white and the background is white, you cannot see anything. I'll just undo it and you can see it. But you can remove your background image you can give it a solid color. So this is the space for color. You just take it, as you can see. So you can choose any color that goes well with what you want to create. So let's leave it like this. I can change this text to whatever I want based on what I want to achieve with the landing page. Also the same for the text and the text for the button. Now also choose to direct the button. I can choose to make the button direct visitors to wherever I want, and I can change this image to anything. So select this and take something else. I can choose this. So if I want to have the image to be at the far end here, so I can choose the section and change this fixed width to no, and everything will contain to take the full width. I can give it a padding of 50 at the left to make sure that this is not starting from the edge, and I can remove this to make sure the image clips up and down. I can do anything I want to make it good, and I also have to make sure that this line is the same with the next one. So next, I want to have a product list that has an heading, so I can look for that as well. I can add another section, so I'll take templates. The next thing we want is to have heading and product, so I will look for something relevant. And you can also use the category option to filter out what you need. So there's different options here. Look at featured products. I think this is what we are looking for. Go for featured products, or if you have a product list, like product suggestion. Yeah. So this looks like what you need, but you can see that we have different options to choose from. This is another one here. This is another one. So let me just go with the first one. Click on select. Now when you scroll down, we can see it here. Shop our best sellers. This is a product list. For it to work, you need to select a collection. So that will be a collection from which you are choosing the product. So let me see. I have some collection here. I will choose the home page. Hopefully I have some products in here. Okay, it says empty, so let me look for something else. Okay, we have some products here. So as you can see, this is a product list. This is a product list. It's showing our products, and the design will be based on what the template has. You can customize it, change things. You cannot change the title. If you want to change the title, you have to go to Shopify. In products, go to Shopify. You click on products, and this is where you can choose your products. You can change the title. So whatever you change here is going to reflect here. The same thing for the price and the variance. So the only thing you can change here is the size of the text, color, and you cannot change the link of add to cart as well. So you can just make the styling to look like what you want, and then that is just it. We can have this as well. So for this third one, I want to use this. So that is how it works. And when you are done, you can give it a name, landing page, click on save, and that is it. It's done. So the last thing The last thing I would like to show you is templates. So what we have been doing from the start of this video is from a blank page. That is assuming if you have if you know what you want to design already. But if you would like to start from the idea of a template, you want to use a pre-made template so that you can work based on what is available, you can choose from templates. So, and what this means is just the type of page you want to build. We use regular page for landing pages or any promotional page, but if you want to create your own page, you can use this, and if it is a product page, you can use this. It is pretty straightforward. I will choose regular, and here you can see there's 130 templates for you to choose from. These are complete website that have been complete page that have been made. It is pre-made for you. You can choose what is close to what you need, and you can customize it anyhow you want. So you can filter it out, landing page, about page. You have different options. You can take whatever you need, and from here you can scroll down to choose any page, but I will go with this one. So I would like to preview it first to see what we have. So this is it. There is a parallax effect on this home page, and it's also having a slider. So that is based on what you need. If it's close to what you need, you can just take it and check the rest. So let's assume we want to use this one. I'll go for it. I have it in my page. So the way it works, we will need to have a product here. Like I said, it depends on the templates you are using. So let me look for a product that has an image. Let's go with this. Okay, so I can change the text, can change it from here or from here. Can change this, change anything, and you can customize it the way you like. Change the image, change the background color. Everything is editable. So that is it about Pagefly. That's it for this video. If you are interested in using Pagefly in your Shopify store, you can click on the link in this video description to install Pagefly. I will make more videos on how to use Pagefly in the future. There will be a regular update in description for new Pagefly tutorials. So make sure to check the description for new updates on Pagefly tutorials. If you need my help with creating a custom Shopify page, send me a message. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you and I wish you success with your business.